This is a Wethepeople versus 2011 bike check. So, starting off at the top, we have ODI bar ends and ODI grips with the flanges on. I've got a Salt brake lever and a Salt brake cable. Also with a Salt stem in green and a Salt top cap. There's a lot of Salt stuff. I have got some Kevin Porter Tierra bars from Fly Bikes. These don't come with the actual original bike, I put them on myself. They've got a 28 width and an 8.25 rise. I have got a Salt Pitch Flow 20 times 2.5 tyre. It's really nice and thick. And I've also got a Salt Plus light rim in green, which is really nice, but it's a bit dirty. So yeah, I've also got some like jock off dust caps. Don't know why I've got them on. I've got the stock forks, show right here, with Salt. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Salt on the bottom of them. Yeah, they're really nice. Could do being a bit lighter, but hey. They've got Salt front hub and a Salt headset. I've got the Wethepeople stock frame. Yeah, that's nice. I like the angles and everything, the lengths. I've got a Salt Plus green sprocket with Salt cranks. Don't know if you can see the Salt logo there. It's a bit scratched because I've worn it down a lot. Sorry about the dirt, by the way. I've just been out on it. I've got an Eclat seat. I don't know if you can see that there. With a Salt seat clamp and seat post. I've got, what else have I got? A Maxxis back tyre. It's a Holy Roller. I don't know if you can see that, yeah, Holy Roller. And I've got clear brake pads. For some reason the clear ones don't wear my back rim down as much, so as you can tell it's kind of still green. I've had it for quite a long time now. It's still green, so yeah. Oh, and I bent my rim there. Yeah, that was a fail. Anyway, I don't know what the bottom bracket is. Oh yeah, I've got Eclat pedals which are worn down and dirty. They're really nice, they're really grippy, and yeah, I really like them. So yeah, that is my bike check. Hope you like it, and comment, rate and subscribe. There'll be some more bike checks on the way, hopefully. Yeah, so that's it.